back to a lesson. In this lesson, we are going to be discussing about how to import your Procreate brushes into Procreate Dreams. So like we discussed earlier about how to import your Procreate artwork into Procreate Dreams, the method is almost the same. Let's just go and recap the same. Okay, let's just move on to our Procreate application. Alright, so we are going to be importing Procreate brushes. Okay, let's just open this up. I'm going to open one of our brushes pack. Like suppose, let's just import this brush set. Alright, so I'm just gonna tap and hold this entire brush set and I'm gonna just swipe up with other finger and go into Procreate Dreams. Alright, and now I'm going to tap it up and just select any other template you want. I'm just selecting the square template and now I will just go on to draw and paint mode, and now I'm going to go on the brushes and now I'm going to release it. Now you see the brush pack has already been imported and you can see all the different brushes available here. So this was one of the method of importing Procreate brushes into Procreate Dreams. Now let me show you the other method as well. So this is called as a split method. So like suppose if you have Procreate Dreams opened up in your iPad, now I'm going to be choosing the split view option. And on the other side, I'm going to be opening my Procreate. So let's go back and let's go back and select one of the other brush set I want to import. Like I want to import fur brush, like suppose, and I'm going to be dragging all the way from here to here, and you can see the brush pack has been imported, and you can see, if you see, the fur brush has been imported right at the bottom. Like suppose if you do not find the brush sets at the top, you can all the way, anytime you can just scroll all the way to the bottom. Sometimes it happens that the brush sets does not appear at the top, so you can just find it at the bottom. So those were the two methods of importing the Procreate brushes into Procreate Dreams. In the next lesson, we are going to be covering about how to import your audio into animation. So I hope you enjoyed the lesson. So goodbye for now. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.